guys, it's Bethany from Madeline Jean Antiques and Restoration. In this video here, I'm gonna do something completely new. I've never done this before, so it's either gonna work or it's gonna be a huge fail, but either way, it'll be a learning experience for me. So I've decided in my workshop area here, if you see this whole area behind me right here, this is where I work. It's probably the size of a 12 by 12 room. And this is where I clean my pieces, I sand them, I stain them, I top coat them, I paint them, I wax them, I distress them, I glaze them. I do everything in this room. And I also stage my pieces in this room. What I like about staging here is that I've got two huge windows right here that bring in beautiful natural sunlight, and I find that it gives my pieces their true color. Sometimes when you take pictures of painted furniture, you're not getting really the true color of what the piece is, and I find with natural sunlight, I get the best photos. So I'm not crazy about what I've been doing so far. It works, but I'm not totally excited that I'm taking the absolute best photos. So you see this piece behind me, this right here? That is my staging wall. It's gray weathered, and I bought it at Lowe's, I think for like $25 or $30. And when I'm ready to take a photo, I bring it on out along with this huge rug, and that's what I've been using. So I've been seeing in other people's photos, they've got like either great natural hardwood floors that they put their furniture upon, and I think it just looks gorgeous. So I thought, you know what? I'm gonna try and do the same thing by getting some fake flooring, and I'm gonna try and do it myself here. And this might be an easy way for me to just stage. Anytime I want to stage, I can bring these slats out, create my floor, take my photos, and then when I'm done, just disassemble the floor. So this color here is called Tavern Oak. You can see it here. It's not too light, it's not too dark. I think it'll look really good against the contrast of my gray wall. So I think I got 2 boxes. There's 8 slats in each box. So I think that's enough to make a fake floor. And the cost of each box, I think it ran about $21. So I put about $42 into my flooring. My wall I've had for almost 2 years, and that was $25 to $30. So not too much money to put out for staging. So you guys can watch me in a time-lapse video. I'm gonna attempt to do this. Like I said, I don't know what the heck I'm doing, but should be relatively easy. I'm thinking there's tongue and groove, so here it goes. Okay, you guys, I am done putting together my fake floor, and I am pleasantly surprised. It is pretty easy. I know you can't see it from the angle right there, but I only had some issues getting like the tongue and groove matching up. That was the only thing, and kind of merging. You saw that I put, I think it was 6 planks down on each side. I'm having a little bit of issue of merging the two so that's seamless. So if anybody has any hints, please let me know, or pointers. Again, this is my first time doing this. So now what I'm gonna do is I'm gonna roll out my fake wall and get it set up, and I'm gonna take some photos with a project that I just completed. It's a smaller nightstand, and see how the photos turn out. So wish me luck. You sound like you're tap dancing. You know that? Yeah. Biscuit. Boo-boos. Okay, you guys, overall, I'm pretty happy with my fake floor that I just put in with my staging. Back here, you can kind of see my gray wall, and then I will include some photos that I just took of this antique end table. I staged it, and I'm pretty happy with the results. Pretty easy, you guys, to install. If I can do it, you guys can. If you have any questions, or if you guys can give me any helpful hints on how to do it better. Like I said, I'm having a little trouble having my two sections come together and not have that line. So I need help with that just a little bit. So if anybody knows how to do that, I would appreciate it. If you haven't liked or subscribed to my channel, please do. It's in the lower right-hand corner. You can see the subscribe button when you have the video in the full screen mode on any of your devices. So again, it's in the lower right-hand corner. Oh, you're shivering. Biscuit needs a little jacket on. It's getting a little cold here in New Hampshire, even though it was a gorgeous day today. It's like low 40s. That's warm for here right now. But you need a little sweater on, don't you? Okay. So Biscuit and I thank you for watching once again, and we will be back with more helpful tutorials in the furniture restoration business. See you guys soon.